featuring A1 Facts. First quarter the mixtape, all beats produced by Grants. Go get that. Let's go. Okay, I am so high, above all my competitors. At the paper daily like the articles and editors. I'ma need that red bone and the one ahead of her. And she gon' fall in love, bet, once I get in bed with her. Yes, I hit it right, but I do not know what got into her. Cause she talk about marriage, I'ma have to get rid of her. I told her it was just sex and our feelings hurt. And the bad thing is, she made a nigga work. A1, oh that's my name. Life is such a pose, gon' pick a frame. Money on the road, I just pick a lane. And for the record, bitch, I'm not a slave. And ho, you not my master, but know a nigga name. And that's word to my nigga, Kuta Kente. But me, dark skin, handsome, young fly dude who rap his ass off and think he the shit fly food, huh? And I must admit I do, but to a woman I will never say I do. Getting married, I can't find a reason why to, and never will come up with one long with the sky blue. Shout out to Grants, he on the beat. I'm headed up there, see you in a couple weeks. First quarter the mixtape, all beats produced by Grants. Go get this. This one is titled Why So Serious. It's a banger if you ask me. And I'm gone.